Oh, it's a fucking hot one today, yeah, I'm telling you.
Right, how are we going here? Everything's in the shot there. I bloody hope so, because there's nothing annoying when it ain't. All right, let's do the walk-in. Okay.
Fucking A, mate. Fucking A, mate. Alrighty.
Oh, bloody hell. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Stop that, you bastard. All right, let's try that again. Get this out the way. Now, I walk in. I walk in. G'day, how you going? I'm Ianapolis, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Did you see that?
You fucking idiot.
Did you see that picture, painting and picture, yes. Did you see that painting in the opening credits? I'm going to show you, a beginner, how you can paint that today. And it's up to you how far advanced you are in your journey, how much you want to detail it, okay? And this painting will have a beautiful vibe about it because it's that type of painting. For fuck's sake, the screen's fucking around there. Jesus Christ. Stop it. All right, now where was I up to? It's the type of painting that's going to have a great vibe about it. You know, when someone looks at your art and they go, I tell you what, I like that. It's going to have the vibe of it all. So get on over here and we'll get right into it.
Yeah, we'll get right into the bastard.
Bloody hell. I need a back support.
Me fucking back, mate.
All right, let's get this going.
Now, some beginners can paint
without any guidelines, but I'm going to put them there because it's a tutorial. Okay, now down here we've got some bloody, hang on, calm down. Now down here we've got some craft paint.
Right, that's beautiful. All right, have you got that, you bastards?
There we go.
Now see the horizon area there? We want to make that more atmospheric.
Get your glasses, you dickhead. Okay. All right, so I've grabbed some craft paint on its own, soft. You want some clouds in there? If you do, whack them in. Piss off. Now the best way to do clouds, okay, where are we going with this? Let's put something on this side here, eh? So what did I say? Very simple to do. Very simple to do. And I might want to get something, let's put a tail on it first. Kind of a long one. There we go. That'll do. Same again. Grab your blending brush. Get over there, you bastard. Grab your blending brush and your kitchen towel. If it needs a bum on it, now we'll simply put yumminess into those clouds.
Fucking yumminess. What the fuck's yumminess?
Yumminess is the bits that make people go yum. Yeah. Is my microphone on? I bloody hope so. Right, so I'll pick up some more.
Get some more paint on there, you dickhead.
Hang on a minute. So I'll put some yumminess in those clouds. Okay. Is the camera on yet? So I might want to put this right in front of that bit there a bit more. There we go. Look at that. Hang on, put your brush back there so it looks like you're still moving. There we go. Look at that. Nice, simple, distant cloud. What I'll do is I'll do a wide shot so they're not so momentumised up there. Where are you? There. Let's see if my head's out the way there. So what did I say? There you go. A simple cloud. Where are we? Get that off there. Ah, it is what it is. Okay. That wasn't too hard to do. When you know what to do, that's something you could create. Now let's get on to the next bit. It's getting fucking hot. Right, we need some shadow. So I'll give this a try.
If you're watching the behind the scenes, hit the thumbs up, give a comment, and tell Ian what you think of him. You know, really tell the bastard what you think of him.
All right, I'll dry that, and I've got to clean this as well, and I'll clean that one as well. Okay, we need a fucking brush to mix that. Which one can I use? I'll use this one here because I'm not going to use that brush. I might do, who knows. Okay, so I've got me burnt umber and I've got me white. So I need to wash this brush because it's full of that now. I can wash that brush, and I'll cut this bit out because they don't need to see this. Where's my towels? Towels full of shit. Okay, where are we? And there, well, we want to use all of it, stuff it. Use the bloody lot. Okay, I've got my frame values there. Okay, I'm picking up some more. And where the fuck's that shit here? I want a bit more in there. Oh, my chest is gone. Okay, here we go. Let's get this a bit. Okay, I've just added a little bit more burnt umber to get that a little bit darker because it was a little bit too bright and we're coming closer towards us. That'll do. We're going to get a yellow green, and I want that wet. Now where the fucking hell is that little thing? I keep forgetting to fill that bastard up. Got to remember that all the time. Where's the lid with a hole in it? Over here. Keep forgetting to fill this up when I paint. And it's such an annoying little thing to forget, but... So where was I up to? Okay, I'll get a little bit of water into that just to make it inky. Okay. Now, grab a flat, I'm going to use that flat brush and obviously another one. If I've got one big enough. No, I'm going to have to wash that one, you bastard. So I want to put the darker green and then the lighter green on the top. Just so this will sit on top of it. Sweating like a bloody pig. And now this, it's going to look real lemongrassy type.
Oh, fuck off, you bastard.
Righto, there we go. And simply find your highlighter bits in this.
Rub it right in there, right in there, right in there, so you've got no surprises when you're putting your other coats on there. Whoosh it around.
Just get it to the shape of the land you want. There we go.
Oh yeah. Forgot to bloody dry the bastard, didn't you, Ian?
Quite lovely. Right, get over there and get out of my way, you bastard. Camera's right over my shoulder. It's so difficult to paint at times.
Yeah, get in there, you dog. Get in there. Go on, there you go. Oh yeah, look at that.
I quite like this. Come on, you dickhead. Oh, look at me thumb, me fucking thumb. Get on there, you dog. So we can put a bit of a, what did I say, put a bit of a signature on here. Right, let's whack a frame on this. Okay, about there. We'll get that. Is that going to hinder that screen? No, all right, let's whack a frame on this. Looks good in a frame too, doesn't it? And with some practice, it looks good in a frame too, doesn't it? And I know you can do it. Right, get over here. Oh, let me see where this is going. Come on, get there. All right, where are we? Boom, turn the screen around. And I know you can do it. Okay. Hanging for a coffee. And I know you can do it. Well, what a lot of fun that was. And I know you can do it. Well, what a lot of fun that was. I enjoyed painting that. And I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun painting that, and you must admit it's something if you want to, and you must admit it's something that you want to what, you dickhead. Hang on, I'll get it right this time. And I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun painting that. Beautiful colours there. Give it a go. Comment below if you want to tell me something about this video. And be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing. But if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya. Someone asked me, why do I have this tape on my lids? Is it because they're splitting, or is it for some special reason? The only reason that is there, I can't remember, but I've had a few people asking. See this rack that I've made for me paint tubes here? I've just made it out of Colorbond metal, but I've slotted them out. But some of them I accidentally went a little bit too wide and they can fall through. So I've put the tape on there so it's thicker and it can't fall through. There was just a couple up here that I buggered up. So that's why you see some of them with masking tape on the caps. Okay, bit of trivia there for someone who wanted to know that. Where's the behind the scenes here? Get that up there. If you enjoyed watching this behind the scenes bloopers, give me the thumbs up, share, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what you think about them as well, alright? All the best, Uru from the Guru.